Question 38 of the JAMB 2019 Mathematics Past Question. That's your UTME CBT exam. It says find the minimum value of the function y is equal to x bracket 1 plus x and close the bracket. Okay, so we have to find the minimum value of the function and it's just telling us to differentiate. So we have y is equal to what? X bracket 1 plus what? X. Alright, where at minimum, okay, at minimum, the differentiation of this is equal to what? 0. Okay, so here we have dy dx. We can open this bracket quickly. When we open this bracket, we have a x plus x squared. So when we differentiate, let's make this a y. So opening up the bracket, this is it. Then our dy dx will be differentiation of this, and then the differentiation of x would be 1 plus the differentiation of x squared will be, we'll multiply this 2 times this, we have 2, then x raised to the power 1, which we can just leave. So this is differentiation and we equate this towards 0. So let us find our value of x at the minimum value. So from here we have 1 plus what? 2x is equal to 0, and here we have 2x is equal to, take 1 to the other side, we have a minus 1. Then let's find our x. We divide both sides by 2, so we have x is equal to what? Minus 1 over 2. So since we know our minimum value of x as what? Minus 1 over 2, so let's find the minimum value of what? Y. Okay, so from here we just put in the value of x, which is what? Minus 1 over 2, into what? This equation. So what do we have here? Let's put it here. So we have y is equal to 1 minus 1 over 2 bracket 1 plus minus 1 over 2. So we have minus 1 over 2 bracket, this will be a 1 minus, this plus times minus will give us a negative, so we have a 1 minus 1 over 2. And when you subtract that, 1 minus 1 over 2 will give us what? 1 over 2, still half, that is 1 minus half. Okay, so here we have what? A half. And when we open up the bracket, we're going to have a minus 1 over 4. So this is our answer, minus 1 over 4. And our right option here is option A.